One thing I love about being in Wickford, Rhode Island, as the business owners prepare for Hurricane Irene, is a sense of humor. You will see signs all over town where they have sprayed sayings on the buildings. Now this particular point right here is the high water mark of the hurricane of September 21st, 1938. What's interesting is this is one of the highest points in downtown Wickford. And they're expecting the floods to be equal or higher to that because of the surge that will come because of this hurricane. As we look around the harbor right now, just a few hours before the storm, it's really difficult to imagine what will happen when there's 50 to 60 mile an hour winds blowing these boats around. As we walk around town, I find it extremely interesting to see how far some people will go to protect their businesses and their homes, and how others throw caution to the wind by just locking the door and walking away. And then we have the characters in town who have a definite attitude, like "Bite me, Irene." You gotta love these characters. And then you have those who are just trying to find anything they can to put over the windows to help protect their stores. But through all the humor, store owners are definitely worried about the damage that could happen to their stores because of Hurricane Irene. It's now 6:15 a.m. on Sunday morning here in Wickford. The wind is starting to pick up, and I think that this last sign says it all. Closed Saturday and Sunday due to impending doom. See you on the other side of Hurricane Irene. And so it begins. This is Gary, the Renegade Dream Builder, reporting to you live from Wickford, Rhode Island. Cut, that's a wrap. The Spade to Black.